ट्रीटमेंट कैसे लगा मैम?
Yeah, it's very good. It's exactly what I wanted actually. Yeah, totally loved your work. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम.